Here, we will show you how to prepare and initiate the automatic installation for SUSE Linux. You need two ISO images, one for the Server View Installation Manager and one for SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. Now the Server View Installation Manager is loading. You now see the initial web GUI of SVIM. Choose Deployment, then Customized. Always click Next to advance. Choose the appropriate SUSE Linux Enterprise System version here. Now you can configure your disk storage. Select the appropriate disk controller. The RAID will be configured automatically, unless you have different choice. Partitions are also created automatically, but can be changed later. In the following screens, you will select language, keyboard, and root password. Here, select the appropriate SUSE packages. Input the host name and configure the IP address settings for the operating system. We are showing DHCP here, but of course you can set IP address, netmask, gateway, and DNS settings manually. If you need SNMP agents, go to Applications, then Selection, and choose Server View Agents. Click the Start Installation button. Now you need to remove the SVIM ISO and insert the SUSE installation ISO. Just do exactly as shown on the screen. Press F12 for boot selection. The server is rebooting. Select SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. The SUSE automated installation is starting. Select Language, Keyboard, and Product to install. Select SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 15, the standard option. Agree to End-User License Agreement. If you haven't configured the operating system IP address before, you can do it now. Configure the network addresses according to your network requirements. You can register your server with SUSE and with a local RMT server now. Skip if you want to do this later. This registration enables you to receive software updates, either locally or via internet, directly from SUSE. You need internet access to register with SUSE. You also need to set up the RMT server if you don't have one already. Check SUSE documentation on how to do it. In this section, select Base System, Containers, Public Cloud, and Server Applications modules. Under System Roles, select Minimal. Select the time zone. Create a user account here. Checking the box below will grant you root privileges. Confirm with the root password you've entered earlier. The installer now gives you the overview of your system configuration. You can change settings here or click Install to proceed with the installation. Installation continues. Preparing system for automated installation. Installation of package completed. Login through root user credentials. Check IP address. Check hostname.